Hello, my name is Carl, and I would like to show you how to efficiently use workplanes to create, edit, and inspect geometry. In Napa Designer, we access a model by using cross-sectional views of the geometry. We call them workplanes. Working with three-dimensional geometry can easily become imprecise and disorientated, so we divide it into two-dimensional representations that are easier to understand. We can access a cross-sectional view by creating a workplane on either the X, Y, or Z axis. We will now create a workplane perpendicular to the X axis. First, I click the Workplane button at the top of the toolbar. I move the mouse over the geometry, using the object highlights to aid in the positioning. To set the location, I simply press the left mouse button. Enabling Frame Snap will allow me to snap to frames and half frames. If I know the precise frame number or coordinate where I wish to place the workplane, I can enter the location on the keyboard in meters or frames. We are now in the workplane mode, illustrated by the banner at the top. I will briefly explain the buttons and features in the workplane toolbar. If the workplane is one that you will often need, you can save it with a name so that you can access it quickly from the workplane tree. Saving a workplane also stores the projection and clipping box settings. For instance, I would like to save this workplane as WebFrame1. When I press Enter on the keyboard or click the Save icon, the workplane will be saved and visible in the object tree. The next item is the frame number or coordinate, and in the middle we have quick access keys for controlling the view. Show Aft and Show Fore buttons will extend the clipping box to show objects behind and in front of the workplane. Show Section will display the cross-section view. To expand the clipping box, you can click the Show All button. You can also import a DXF drawing by clicking the dedicated button to help create new geometry. Finally, when you have finished your work on a certain workplane, you can close it. When you wish to access a previously saved workplane, you simply click on it in the workplane tree. To remove a workplane, simply press Delete. Thank you for watching.